my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. MUA, welcome. Today I created this look using the Ofra Cosmetics Soul palette. I love this palette, it is so pretty. Last year during Halloween, I posted a look. It was my stuffed teddy bear look, and I actually used one of the Ofra Cosmetics highlighters, and then they reposted me, and I guess I had joined a contest without really even realizing it. I think it was like the hashtag I used. So from that contest, I ended up winning a $100 gift card to spend at Ofra Cosmetics. So I bought the Ofra Cosmetics Soul palette, and I also bought this Glow x5 palette, and it's a little palette that includes 5 different highlighters. And I'll tell you right now, Ofra Cosmetics I think has like the best highlighters. One of my favorite highlighters ever is the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, and this is actually what I used in that in the contest look, and I ended up getting $100, so not bad. Didn't even know I joined. So yeah, in this video I only used the Soul palette because it already has highlighters in there. I did not use this little palette. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. I waxed about 45 minutes ago, so I might be a little red on my upper lip and my eyebrows. Just deal with it, alright? Okay? Because I got to. Look at this. Look at this motherfucker. He's huge. Like always, we are going to start with the brows. And first, I'm going to be taking the MAC Cosmetics Spiked Eyebrows. To prep the eye, we're going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. Now I'm going to be jumping into the Ofra Cosmetics Pro palette, and this is the Soul palette. What I love about this palette is that you got basically your whole face in one palette. So you've got your eyeshadows over here as well, banana powder for your under eyes, and to set your concealer, and then you've also had, you can use this as a bronzer, you've got a blush, and then you've got your highlighters. Yeah, so today I'm literally just going to be using this palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Truffle. I'm gonna go into Godiva. I'm gonna go into the shade Bark. Go back into Godiva. And now to add a little bit of a pop to that, I'm gonna go into the shade Bohemian. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be taking the Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. For mascara today, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Dodo lashes in the style D307. I am an affiliate with Dodo lashes, and my discount code is for 5%. Now that doesn't seem like a lot, but the lashes themselves are so inexpensive. They're like 10 bucks a lash. Which is freaking awesome, and they are amazing quality. Like, I have used this specific pair like 4 times already, and they still look like they're in freaking mint condition. So like, I highly recommend these. I'll put the link in the description box below along with my discount code. I'm telling you, these are freaking great. Look at this lash. Isn't it so pretty? Don't you like it? I fucking love this lash, alright? So next, I'm actually going to catch up this eye to the side, and I'll be right back. Well, next, I'm going to be moving on to the face, and to prime my face, I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics Northern Lights Primer. I received as a sample just from buying what I bought. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Milani Cosmetics Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in the shade Light. Because this foundation is so thick, I like to take it on a little dish, and then I kind of just warm it up before I use it. And that's a thick fucking foundation. Oh my god, there's bear's hair, like literally stuck to my face. For concealer today, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer in the shade 22. And to set that, I'm going to go into banana powder. Honestly, I have no idea if this is bronzer. I'm not going to use it as a bronzer because I really don't know, and I don't want to risk looking crazy as hell. So I'm just going to use a different bronzer because I really don't know if that is one. I haven't used this bronzer in so long, and I honestly think it's because it's one of my most expensive bronzers and I just don't want to ruin it. I had the Marc Jacobs, I think it was the coconut one, like the container was white, and I hadn't even used it once and I dropped it, and I think this is like 80 bucks. So I was freaking heartbroken. So then I just ended up buying this one, and I've only used it a few times. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. So I'm gonna be taking the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze in 102 Tantric. And to contour, I'm going to go into the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, and I'm going to jump into Sculpt. For blush, I'm going to go into B29. Next, I'm going to finish the eyes, and I'm going to go into Truffle. And then I'm going to go into Godiva. Then I'm going to go into Bark. I like to use a waterproof mascara on my bottom lashes, and today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Waterproof Mascara in Very Black. I actually want to leave my waterline bare. I like the way it looks right now. All that's left for the face is highlight, and there's literally so many options to choose from. I could use this one as a wheel itself or go into each shade separately. I can use this one, I can use that one. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna go into all of the lights, but I'm gonna focus solely on this area right here. I'm going to take the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Santa Sangre. And to set the face, we're going to use the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. And this completes my look using the Ofra Cosmetics Soul Palette. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Created this look using... Okay, hold on. Itchy. No, don't scratch, stupid. So from that context, one of my favorite highlighters that, like, I'm going to be using blah, and focus on my face. Thank you. 2-in-1 concealer. No, it's not what I said. Milani Cosmetics Conceal and Perfect. That's what I was going to say. Carol Baskin. I'm going to go into the banana. Carol Baskin. Killed her husband. She whacked it. Now we're going to finish the eye, and I'm gonna. Okay, hold on. Focus. Thank you. The Ofra Cosmetics.